John Booz has spent the last 2 years completely redesigning our underbar from the ground up. All of our new product is 18 gauge, 300 series stainless steel. All of it comes with stainless steel feet. We've redesigned the backsplashes so they're all uniform. They're 1 1/8 inches deep. I'm going to start here with our trash chute unit. It comes with a swing up door to protect the trash can, keep the trash inside. It has a drop-in chute to make sure that all of the trash goes down into the trash can where you want it. Again, it has our standard 1 1/8 inches thick backsplash. It comes complete with all the hardware to attach it to the pieces next to it, and it comes with a Z-clip to mount it onto the wall behind it. The next unit I have here is a hand sink. This hand sink also comes complete with the paper towel holder in the front, the soap dispenser inside it, has the same features. One of the features that we've come up with that's an improvement over our past product is that the faucets actually mount to a removable plate, so your installer can mount this to the wall, the plumber can come afterwards and hook the faucet up without having to worry about taking it back off the wall in order to get access to the back side. The next piece that you see here is our glass rack unit. As part of the redesign, we have a removable drain cover on it. That enables the air to get inside and dry out the interior of the glasses. Our previous line had several different models. With the new product redesign, you only need one. It's adjustable inside for either 2 or 3 glass racks. This center shelf is available as an option as well. The next piece I have here is our bottle rack. You'll notice that there's a 45-degree turnover on the separator bars. That way you can label each bottle and easily identify it just by looking straight down on top of it. The next piece up is one of our favorite redesign pieces. This is our new cocktail unit. It comes from the factory standard with already preset inserts so I can screw accessories to the face of it. This particular one has a double speed rail screwed onto it. This one also shows an optional lid compartment for the top. If you're using a bottle holder here to keep your orange juice and cranberry juice and those things that have to be kept cold, you can put those on this side and still get access into the ice bin below. This particular unit also has a cold plate unit available for it, and it comes complete with these plates in the back, so if I'm running hoses up for my bar gun, and I'm gonna put my bar gun on the underside of my bar top, I have access to run those lines down through it. The next piece that we have here is our bar gun holder. There's a large block at the base of this bar gun, and it sits inside this. It has easy access for adjusting, so you can adjust the bricks on your bar gun. It attaches, again, with hardware to the side of the cocktail unit. The next piece that we have here is a blender station. It's a single piece, has a small sink inside it. In this particular instance, you'll notice that the legs have been removed and it's suspended off the die wall and the pieces next to it. That enables you to mop underneath it and get easy access and make sure that your floor is properly cleaned. Our next piece is a dump sink. This dump sink, again, just like our cocktail unit, comes complete with inserts for mounting accessories to the front. And we have a wide variety of accessories that we are coming out with or already have to enable you to utilize this fully. This particular one is a blender station that mounts to the front of the dump sink. The dump sink comes again with a removable faucet plate and a tray inside that's perforated for catching anything that you're throwing out. The next piece is something we're really proud of. It's a corner 3-compartment sink for Underbar. It also utilizes the removable drain boards. It has all of the same features that the other pieces have. It has the removable legs, the die wall clips. Everything is included with it, including the overflows that come inside the sink. The other feature that our products have now is all of our drains are the same distance off the wall. So whereas before you might have to run drain tubing at different distances off the wall, and it made it very difficult for the plumber to plumb in. Our new product line, everything is the same distance off the wall. The plumber can put 1 stick of PVC underneath it, cut it where it needs its drains, put T's in it, and everything lines up, making it much faster to install and much less expensive for your plumber. This next piece I have here is our back bar storage unit. It has a drain board again on top of it and provides lockable storage for inside behind the bar. This storage can be utilized either for something like a bartender's purse or expensive liquor that you need to lock up at the end of the day. The last piece that I have here today is our Underbar POS station. It'll fit underneath the bar top and has a lockable cabinet underneath for the computer CPU and storage space on the top for your cash drawer and your POS unit.